Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can easily add a custom Save As button to your PDF forms and documents. Let's begin. First, open up your Adobe Acrobat Pro, open up your PDF file, and once you're here, you can click on All Tools or Access All Tools and look for Add Rich Media. If it's not showing up, make sure to click on View More and then find this option. Click on Button and you can now place this wherever you want. So for this, save as, I'm going to make this big. Click on all properties. And from here, go to general. You can choose save as. You can also use tooltip save as. I'm not going to put anything there. Border color, you can choose anything. Doesn't really matter for now for this example. But for here, that will be yellow. And choose any font size. We're just going to choose auto. Any font uh, style you want, and text color should be black in default. Position, options, label as, save as, go to actions. Make sure to click on add, and then menu or file type, save as, click on OK. You can now close and it should now look like this. So you can click on the button and you can now easily save, or you will be given the option to save your file from here. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.